The sports apparel manufacturing and exporting sector in Sialkot, Pakistan, is a vibrant and growing industry that specializes in the production of high-quality sportswear. Sialkot has emerged as a key player in the global sports apparel market, offering a wide range of athletic clothing and accessories to athletes, sports teams, and fitness enthusiasts worldwide. One of the primary strengths of Sialkot's sportswear manufacturing sector is its skilled workforce. The city has a long-standing tradition of craftsmanship and textile expertise, which is reflected in the precision and quality of the sports apparel produced. Sialkot's manufacturers employ highly skilled artisans who possess a deep understanding of fabrics, stitching techniques, and design aesthetics to create comfortable, durable, and performance-enhancing sportswear. The sector covers a wide spectrum of sports apparel, including jerseys, shorts, tracksuits, compression garments, sports bras, and accessories such as caps and socks. Sialkot's manufacturers cater to various sports disciplines, including football, cricket, basketball, tennis, and more. They offer customization options, allowing sports teams and organizations to personalize their apparel with logos, names, and other branding elements. Sialkot's manufacturers have established strong relationships with international buyers, distributors, and sports brands, making the city a preferred sourcing destination for sportswear. They actively participate in international trade fairs and exhibitions, where they showcase their products and network with potential clients. This engagement with the global market has contributed to the growth and expansion of Sialkot's sportswear industry. Quality control is of utmost importance to Sialkot's manufacturers. They adhere to stringent quality standards and implement robust quality assurance processes throughout the manufacturing cycle. From fabric selection to stitching, printing, and finishing, manufacturers ensure that their sportswear meets international quality benchmarks, providing athletes with comfort, durability, and performance benefits. In addition to quality, Sialkot's sportswear manufacturers are committed to sustainability and ethical production practices. They prioritize using eco-friendly materials, adopting energy-efficient production methods, and ensuring fair labor practices. This emphasis on sustainability aligns with the global trend of environmentally conscious and socially responsible manufacturing. The sector benefits from Sialkot's favorable business environment, efficient supply chain networks, and government support. These factors contribute to the smooth export of sportswear products to international markets. Manufacturers comply with international standards, such as ISO certifications, ensuring compliance with quality and safety regulations. To stay competitive, Sialkot's manufacturers focus on innovation and keep abreast of emerging trends in sports fashion and technology. They invest in research and development, exploring new fabrics, designs, and manufacturing techniques to meet the evolving demands of athletes and consumers. Collaboration with textile research institutions and fashion designers helps foster innovation and product development within the industry. The sportswear exporting sector of Sialkot contributes more than $550 million in Pakistan's foreign exchange revenue. The top 10 importing countries for made in Sialkot sportswear are USA, Germany, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Italy, Spain, Denmark, France, United Arab Emirates, and Canada. In conclusion, the sportswear manufacturing and exporting sector of Sialkot, Pakistan, is a thriving industry known for its skilled craftsmanship, commitment to quality, and focus on sustainability. With a diverse range of sports apparel offerings, adherence to international standards, and a culture of innovation, Sialkot's manufacturers are well positioned to cater to the global demand for high-performance sportswear while contributing to the economic growth of the region.